Welcome to my video and thank you for choosing my channel. This video is actually part of a longer video that I made about Tangerine Bank under the title Review of Tangerine Bank, its website, its app and its ATM, if you want to search it in YouTube. I will also put the link in the descriptions. So without killing time more than this, let's jump right into the video and see what I've prepared for you. Okay, so in this section of the video, I'm going to talk about why I have chosen Tangerine as my bank. I've been with three of the big banks, BMO, Scotia, and TD. But because I think the future is going to be everything through internet, and cash is going to be something that belongs to the past within 5 to 10 years, I think that internet banks will take over everything. So that's why I have chosen to go with Tangerine, which is, I think, one of the best one here in Canada. Okay, so let's see my first reason. The first reason is, as I said, it is an internet bank and a subsidiary of Scotiabank, which means that you can use its 3,500 ATMs all around Canada, as well as 50,000 other ATMs around the world, all for free. This is very good, given that and what I like about its ATMs is that you can do the most necessary stuff with it. So changing PIN, depositing and withdrawing, which is, in my opinion, like these are the most necessary things that an ATM should do. The other reason is because it is an internet bank without any physical locations, it makes it to be able to implement and give some services free of charge. Most of its services actually are free of charge, including checking accounts, all for free. This becomes a matter if you know that, for example, Canadians spend over $200 per year on average just to keep their accounts. So I think that this is not necessary. Why should you pay like a money monthly to just keep your account, like to keep your account open, right? You can say that you can waive it, yeah, of course, but why is it? What do you want to do with your money? You don't physically touch it. Most of the things that you do is through internet, like your credit cards, your transactions, transferring money. So I don't see any necessity for opening an account or keeping my account in a physical bank. The other reason is the Cashback Mastercard that Tangerine has, in my opinion, of course, overall is one of the best credit cards with no annual fee that you can get. You need to only, if you want to be eligible for that, you need to only have $12,000 of income per year. So because in Canada, if you want to get a credit card, they're gonna, like, I think in most countries it's like that. If you want to get a credit card, they first see your income. So if you have filed bankruptcy, you can start with other cards, but this is given that this is given to people with low income or moderate income, this could be the one of the best. It has 3 categories you can choose that it gives you 2% cashback. Of course, the thing is, they first give you 2 categories. If you open a savings account, you can choose another 3rd category. So anything that you spend. So for example, I have decided to go with recurring bill payments and groceries. So any grocery that I buy, anything that has the title grocery or any recurring bill payment will give me 2% cashback. Okay, so the other reason that I really like is because its savings account is amongst the highest interest paying accounts Okay, and it also pays interest on checking, but the interest is less than the savings. Now, it is still low in comparison to what you can get from the stock market or what you can get from other investments. If you have, let's say, a lot of money, I don't know, 100K or more, but like if you consider that the savings account that they provide is amongst the top interest paying, this could be an option that for some people who don't wish to invest their money. They just want to put their money for 6 months or whatever somewhere. So that again, that's low, but it is better than nothing. One of the good things that Tangerine has is that if you become the customer of Tangerine, you can refer your friends, and it will pay $50 to you and $50 to the person who you refer. However, you can only do this 3 times per year. You need to have, after you become a customer, you get what's called an orange key that you can share it with your friends or anyone, and they can open up an account. And but they need to keep like $250 for 90 days in their account, so they shouldn't touch it. And after that, they're going to be given $50, and you also are going to be given $50. So here I have my code. If you're interested, you can copy this code and open your account if you're willing to. I will also provide this in the descriptions of the video. The other reason is I really like the customer care. I mean, you're gonna, particularly these days in COVID era, I don't know before that, but because I've been their customer for, I would say, 9 months or so, it takes time. Like you're gonna be behind the line for, I don't know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It's not like TD. I think has the most, the fastest customer service. As soon as you call, somebody will pick up the phone and will answer you. But for me, it's not a big issue. I just call and do my thing at home, and then after someone picks up, I will talk to them. So it may be from 30 minutes, 40 minutes to even an hour. But again, their customer service is nice because it's 24/7 like TD, and also the mobile app that they have, which has earned a good level of satisfaction from customers, is also a very convenient way of doing your banking. I never, rarely I use the website, because it's everything that I want is through the mobile app. Plus it gives you some sort of extra functionality, such as depositing a check, which is very great. Of course, all banks have these. It's nothing that just Tangerine has, but it's very simple. I mean, I like the UI. It is fast, and nothing, I would say nothing less or more than others, but like I like how the layout is. Okay. Some of its other advantages include unlimited free transactions, which something is that I mentioned. Free internet money transfer. I think for TD it used to be, if you want to do in-track e-transfer, it's $1.50. I don't remember exactly because I didn't do, but like I know that there's a fee for that. The first checks that you get, which is 2 decks of 25 checks, is for free, and then $20 afterward. $1 for non-Scotiabank ATMs in Canada, and $2 around the world for doing transactions in the ATM. And if you consider that, for example, I think in Scotia itself, non-Scotia ATMs, you would have to pay $3. I'm not sure exactly, but like it is less than other banks. $40 NSF fee. So non-sufficient fee, if you, I'm just explaining for the beginners, if for example your billing company wants to take money from your account for your bills, such as, I don't know, cell phone bill or hydro bill or whatever, and there's not enough money, the bank usually will charge you a fee. So in this fee is called non-sufficient fee. For TD it is, I think, $45. But at least the good thing is in Tangerine it is just $40. Okay, so that's it for this section. In the next section we're going to review Tangerine Bank website.